Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will discuss this pattern and this is a column-wise pattern and also a right angle triangle formed pattern. So I will use nested for loop to make this pattern. Nested for loop is a loop in which one loop inside another loop, that is called nested loop, and one for loop inside another for loop, that is called nested for loop. So I will take two variables I and j. I is used for outer for loop and j is used for inner for loop. So when I will write, yeah, I will make a outer for loop, then I will take 1 as a lower limit, means I will use the for loop with three parameters. I is initialized to 1 and I will check condition that I less than equal to 5 and I increment to 1, because number of rows equals to 5, so I will use outer loop for 5 times 1 to 5, and also in inner loop I initialize j to 1 and check condition j less than equal to I, because I want to make a right angle triangle formed pattern. So I will do j less than equal to I and j increment to 1, and we print percentile d and j into 2, because in this pattern all numbers are printed in a multiple of 2. So I print j into 2, and after completing the inner for loop we used backslash n for new line. So I hope you understand that how to make this pattern, because this pattern is a column wise pattern. So when we have a column wise pattern, then I will always print the variable of inner for loop, that is j, and j into 2, because in this pattern two multiples are printed, multiples of 2 is printed in this pattern, so we print j into 2. And in outer for loop we initialize I equals to 1, I less than equals to 5 and I plus plus. I hope you understand. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Dipanshi, and if you have any doubts you can ask me anytime. Thanks for watching and have a great learning ahead, and I think you all guys enjoyed a lot.
I know one